Mommy went. Hey! Huh?
Baby, let me bite it. It's the softest. Let me touch it. Tongue kissing on that pussy, know you like it. Now we vibe.
Hey loves. So I'm gonna prank my mother. I'm gonna make noise. She don't like when I go. She don't like that. So I'm gonna do it.
What's this supposed to do? Using my charger. Yes, you are using my charger.
No, I'm not. Look.
So why you got
Unique.
like that?
Unique is using it.
Why you got Mommy went.
Hey! Huh? Yeah. Hey, love.
Buy your coffee. Buy.
I told you. No te lo digo. Abuela puta madre. Entonces te dice que yo peleo con él. Lo suciaste así porque lo pones todo día. Pues no, ahora que te lo estoy pasando. La siguiente yo puñeta. Solo para pasar mi vida y que no. Se me da como un Esta de aquí te salió entero. Mírate la vendí, ahora soy un
What the hell is wrong with you?
Alright guys, so that was the end of my video. I didn't get to do too much. Like I didn't get to keep dragging it because she was being too nosy, and I think she kind of figured. I don't know, but that was funny. It was still funny anyways. But next time I'm gonna try to get a good angle without her seeing it, because I was originally supposed to prank her while eating because we was gonna do a mukbang. But I'm gonna save another prank for that video. That was mad funny. I gotta think of something else to say though, because I gotta think of something else to say that she doesn't like. Because every time I do that noise, I'll be like, she don't like that. She'll be like, ew, stop acting like a bird. I'll be dying. But this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I personally think it was funny. Hopefully you guys think the same. But this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and share. Y'all gotta share this video because it was funny. I don't care what y'all say. This video was funny. So I'm gonna get back with y'all with another video today. So I gotta keep them coming. Like, come on now. I gotta post like 4 videos a day. So I'm gonna try to keep up with that. So I got y'all and I'll see you in my next video.
In your garden, moon in your ocean, babe. I'm a flame in your fire, earthquake causing tidal waves.